Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about Cherokee travel trailers by Forest River. It's a full line of mid-size to large travel trailers that range from couples models to family models and even have a few toy haulers thrown in. They go from about 26.5 to 38 foot and 5,200 to 8,800 pounds. The Cherokee lineup has a total of 18 different floor plans, with 8 of them being bunk models, another 8 couples models, and the last 2 are toy haulers. Let's actually start with the toy haulers. The 255R is the only fifth wheel in the Cherokee brand lineup. It doesn't have any slide outs either, which means it maximizes the toy hauling space available during travel. This unit features 2 flip-over sofas with a dinette in the back, plus a side aisle bath and walk-around queen up front. The other toy hauler in the lineup is the 294RR, which has a super slide housing a sofa and kitchen, plus a massive 17-foot long garage. It also has a side aisle bath and walk-around queen bed. Both toy hauler layouts have a patio with rails built into the ramp and a rear screen for easy access to the patio without letting any bugs inside your RV. Let's move into the bunk models. There are actually 5 rear corner bunk models. First up are the 264CK and 264DBH. These are pretty similar layouts, however, they swap the location of dinette and sofa, as well as the entertainment center and kitchen. The 274DBH moves the bunks to the off-door side, which allows easy entrance into the bathroom so you don't track dirt through the entire camper. The last 2 rear corner bunk models in the lineup are the 284DBH and 294DBH. These 2 layouts are also quite similar to each other. They both have direct access to the bathroom, a pantry added to the super slide, and a walk-around queen bed. However, the 284DBH has an angled entertainment center with a closet in the bedroom, and the 294DBH has a centered entertainment center with double entry to the bedroom and an additional chair in the living room. Not only are there rear corner bunk models, but there are also 3 bunkhouse layouts in the Cherokee lineup. The 294BH features a slide out in the bunk room with 3 bunks. It also has a second entrance into the bathroom and an optional outside kitchen. The 304BH is a triple slide quad bunkhouse unit with a center kitchen island and the bathroom right next to the bedroom for quick trips in the middle of the night. The last bunk model is the 304BS with quad bunks and dual opposing slides in the bunk room, giving the kids a huge space to play. That wraps up the bunk models. Let's talk about the couples layouts. There are 3 V-nose front kitchen layouts if you're looking for a more aerodynamic trailer. The shortest being the 234 VFK with a large front kitchen, slide-out dinette directly across from the sofa, and a walk-around queen bed in the back. The 274 VFK makes the kitchen counter space even larger, has a super slide with both the sofa and dinette, changes to a side aisle bath, and adds a chair in the living room. The largest V-nose is the 304 VFK, which has the same kitchen as the 274, but has room for an additional chair in the living area and adds 2 wardrobe slides to the master bedroom, with one of them housing an outside kitchen. If you prefer a rear kitchen over the front kitchen, then the 274RK is for you. This classic floor plan features good kitchen prep space, a super slide, and 2 chairs in the main living area for great conversation space. The shortest Cherokee travel trailer is the 214JT. This rear bath model features a large slide-out dinette, dual entry, and walk-around queen bed. The last models in the lineup are rear living layouts. The 264RL has 2 chairs in the back under a large picture window and has a super slide with a sofa and dinette. The 274WK has dual opposing slides in the living area, allowing for an island in the kitchen. It also has 2 chairs directly across from the entertainment center and a sofa in the back. The 304R has dual opposing slides, but has a rollaway island instead of a fixed island in the kitchen. It also has the sofa in the campside slide and the 2 chairs along the back wall. Not only are there great floor plans, but Cherokees also have wonderful amenities, starting with the Cherokee Stable Step. This step system is very sturdy, so you don't have that springboard effect when entering or exiting your RV. Cherokee also uses tire pressure monitors for easy pressure reading to help prevent tire blowouts from happening. The interiors are gorgeous, with a large farm-style stainless steel sink and some models housing a fireplace as well. With a wide range of floor plans, top-of-the-line amenities, and beautiful interiors, it's no wonder why so many people choose to buy a Cherokee travel trailer.